All right, in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all what a day in the life of one of my detailers actually looks like. I'm leaving my house right now. It's 8:27. I gotta stop by Home Depot on the way, get a new pressure washer. One of ours broke. The reason I'm doing this, well, one of my employees is sick today, so he couldn't work. So I could either reschedule those jobs or just do it myself. And plus, you know, it is a video idea, so I thought I would just go out there, do it myself, and video the process for you guys to see what a typical day of detailing looks like. Today we've got one standard detail, which is full interior, exterior, and that's anywhere between $250 and $300. And then I'm not sure what size car it is. And then one interior only, which is $195. So we should get done, depending on how long the first one takes. If I can start on the second one early, we could be done by 2, which would be cool. I'm supposed to start the second one at around 1:30, but normally I can get the first one done by noon or earlier, and then get to the second one by hope maybe sometimes noon, but we'll see. But yeah.
Hey, sorry for interrupting the video. Just wanted to quickly tell you all about this free 3-day $1,000 challenge we're doing. It's for beginner detailers who are trying to grow their business, get it off the ground, and really start taking it seriously, marketing your business and growing it. I'm gonna sit down with y'all on Zoom live for 3 days and make $1,000 in your business, and every business that signs up is gonna make $1,000 at least in the 3 days. And then at the end, you're gonna get some tips on growing further. Ask me any questions you want. And yeah, it's gonna be really exciting, really good event. I think it can help out any beginner detailer, or even if you've been doing it for a while, but it just hasn't taken off like you think it can. I can help y'all out. If you wanna sign up, you can register in the description below, and I'll see you there.
So typically we do 4 a day right now in the winter. So that's 2 guys doing 2 a day each. And then it picks up. That's normally we do 4 per day from about November to January or February. Normally the winter is just a slightly slower. This summer, or this winter, really hasn't slowed down much. I mean, we had our best December ever. We're on track for our best January ever. It's our 4th year, so we're just gaining more of a reputation. Our marketing is just getting better and better. But yeah, so then once February, March hits, that's when we kick it up to 6 details per day, hire a 3rd guy, do some more ceramic coating, some more paint correction work. That's really our busy season, is March to October, which is pretty big here in Birmingham, Alabama. Doesn't really get cold, so we can pretty much go year round. There's a few days, like 2 weeks ago, it was below freezing the whole week, so that we just had to eat that week. And then the next week it rained Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and some of Friday, so that makes it tough. If it's a light rain, we'll still go out, try to get it done, use their garage. We have some tents we can pop up. But if it's just downpouring, you have to call it. But I'll see you in a second when I'm in Home Depot picking up this pressure washer. I'll show you which one I get. I've had this one before. The 1900 and the 1800. It's $70 difference. 3-year limited warranty. 3-year limited warranty. All right, so just finished up that detail. It was actually interior only first, and I have a full standard detail next. I've got to run a couple errands, stop and get some lunch. I'm also going to stop by our shed and get some more microfiber rags because I ran out, or I'm running low, and got to stop by the detail supply shop because there was some pin on one of the doors. He has a couple kids, and I didn't have anything that could get it out, so I just told him I would stop by later today. I live in the area, so you got to do what you got to do to keep customers happy, really. I mean, if he lived really, really far out, I'd still probably have to drive out here. It would be much less convenient, but this is like on my way to the gym later tonight, so I'm just gonna stop by, see what the detail supply shop has for it, and then stop by later today and take care of it. But right now, on the way to our storage shed and grab some lunch. But that took about 2.5 hours. It's 11:30 right now. A little longer. I wasn't really rushing through it. I stopped a couple times to get on the phone and answer some emails and texts, but making normal time. This is about normal. Our next detail is supposed to start at 1:30. I'm going to text her here in a minute and see if I can come a little early, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the next detail. All right, so I just got, I don't know why this one is. I just got this shit for the marker on the door, but I got a call. Our mobile van broke down yesterday. I'm just gonna give you all an insight into some of the just problems you run into when you're running a business, right? So we have a company van, carries water and power. One of our detailers drives it every day. It broke down yesterday. We weren't sure what's wrong with it. I towed it to a Pep Boys. They looked at it and they said the engine's gonna have to be replaced, which is a huge expense, right? And we just got the engine replaced probably, a year ago because it seized up or something. It's a 2010 van. Bought it in cash, but got the engine replaced, got the radiator replaced, got a bunch of new transmission, and now the engine has to be replaced, right? So called the original mechanic that told me it was under warranty, right? It is still under warranty, so now I'm towing it from the Pep Boys to the old mechanic. He's gonna take a look at it, but we have details all this week booked out, right? So I already had to reschedule today because the van's in the shop. Now the engine has to be replaced again. It's just part of it, right? The more people you manage, the bigger you get, the bigger problems are. Luckily, this engine is under warranty, so it's not going to cost anything, which is nice, but it is some opportunity cost of details that we aren't going to get done because we don't have a van. I mean, and he'll have to order the part, so I mean, there's no chance it's fixed probably this week, which really sucks. Hopefully he gets it, takes it apart, and finds something he can fix, but just wanted to give you all a little insight into the stuff I'm dealing with today, which is another thing. If you are detailing yourself every day, there's just no way you can put out fires and effectively manage your whole team while you're detailing, which is why normally I don't detail. I have my guys go detail, and I could have, gone to the Pep Boys, met the guy at the next shop. I've got a tow truck going to pick it up right now. But yeah, I mean, you can't really problem solve that effectively while you're out detailing. But yeah, now I'm getting some food, and I'm gonna have to get fast food, which I don't normally eat, but in a short pinch, this is gonna have to do. Hello. Yeah, can I get...
How are you?
You want me to wait?
All right, I just got done with that last job. It was pretty rough shape. Got out here a lot later than I wanted to. It's 4:45. I also had to answer a few calls about our van. Had to move it to a different shop, so talked to the mechanic there about it. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it back anytime soon. They're still diagnosing the problem, but got done with that detail and now I'm heading back. I've got a coaching call with a client tonight to get them in our program. I've actually got 2 tonight. Gonna go work out, play some basketball, eat some dinner, chill. And that's pretty much the extent of a day, at least the detailing day looks like. I'm probably gonna do another video about what my day-to-day normally looks like in terms of managing the employees and what your business can look like if you have employees and you're not out detailing every day. But that's it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. See you on the next one.